just made a video on how to fold a tarp in a high wind. Now, how many people do you think are interested in folding a tarp in a high wind today? I would estimate 0. Nobody has an interest in folding a tarp in a high wind. So why did I make that video? Since no one's interested. Well, you know what? One day, somebody is going to be trying to fold a tarp in a high wind. And they're going to say to themselves, wait a minute. I saw this video on YouTube on how to easily and quickly fold a tarp in a high wind. I'm going to go get a broom. Then I am happy I made the video.